Before tropical snow, snow was seasonal. Think about that. The texture of the ice is one of the main reasons why tropical snow is the best. It is the defining feature between the lousy snow cone and the gourmet shaved ice. Soft snow makes a great product that is delightful to eat. Make sure you have a sharp blade on your machine and you are using a tempered block of ice. You should replace your blade at least every 2,000 servings. Always wear food handler's gloves when shaving ice. Before putting ice in the machine, make sure the machine is turned off and the blade is lowered. Center the ice on the shaving disc and lower the main shaft to set the teeth into the block. There's no need to slam down on the main shaft. Close the shield and turn the machine back on. Step on the foot control to start the machine. Slowly turn the blade adjustment knob counterclockwise to raise the blade up into the ice. Adjust the blade until you're shaving light, fluffy snow. Properly shaved ice will absorb the flavor right into it, so you don't end up with too much syrup in the bottom of the cup. If you raise the blade too high, the ice will become coarse and ruin the quality of the product. It might feel like you're going faster, but you're just getting chunks of ice rather than snow. Doing this will also dull your blade much faster. Catch the snow in your dominant hand and put it in the cup, then rotate the cup with your other hand. Not packing too hard, just enough to hold it together. As the cup fills up, start forming a dome or a snowball on the top of the cup. When you're done, it should look something like this. Shaving ice is an art and it takes practice, but here are some helpful hints. Don't overwork the ice. Packing the ice too hard can create a hard shell that won't absorb the flavor quite right. If it's packed too hard, the flavor won't be able to reach the bottom of the cup. Your customer shouldn't need an ice pick to eat their tropical snow. You also want to make sure that you don't pack the snow too loosely. If it caves in when you pour flavor on it, then it's not packed well enough. From time to time, your machine may freeze up. This is caused by the blade and the shaving disc becoming so cold, the ice starts to build up behind the blade. If this happens, simply remove the block of ice from the machine and pour water over the blade to melt the ice buildup. Now that you've got the basics under your belt, happy practicing.